Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about burst pipes. Burst pipes are no fun. When a pipe bursts in your home, you need fast action to prevent water from flooding and damaging your property. Explore our blog and you'll find plenty of information on preventing pipes from bursting. We have step-by-step instructions for insulating your pipes, plus guides for preventing pipes from freezing and directions for how to safely thaw frozen pipes. However, it's not always possible to prevent a pipe from bursting. That's why we've also provided instructions for finding and shutting off your water main so you can limit the amount of damage. We offer around-the-clock emergency plumbing services 365 days a year. And we never charge extra, not even on evenings, weekends, or holidays. We understand that you need a plumber right away if you have a burst pipe, and we are dedicated to providing the emergency plumbing service you need. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.